StashAway Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Make sure you watch before using. StashAway is a robo-advisor originating in Singapore, now expanding across Southeast Asia and the Middle East. It's used an economic regime-based asset allocation framework to adjust portfolio risk based on microeconomic conditions. Investors can choose different goals and portfolios are tailored accordingly using ETFs. Onboarding is smoothly. The app asks thoughtful questions to determine your goals and risk tolerance. Users often say StashAway feels more intelligent than some competitors, especially with how it adapts to economic shifts. The platform is mobile first and visually appealing, making a portfolio management easy. Some long-term users says return can lag behind benchmark in full market, but appreciate the downside protection during the turbulence.